This is the practice test for algebra, and we're looking at number 12, and it states a car dealership earns a portion of its profit on the accessories sold with a car. The dealer sold a Toyota Camry loaded with accessories for $24,000. Now that's the total cost of the car, $24,000. And then it tells us that this total cost of the car was 8 times as much as the accessories. How much did the accessories cost? So the $24,000 is 8 times the cost of the accessories. So the accessories is what we're looking for in the problem. We're going to call that X and solve for it. And as the problem states, that the total cost of the car, $24,000, is 8 times the cost of the accessories. So 8 times X, or 8X, is equal to the total cost of the car, $24,000. And once we have this set up, the next step is simply to divide by both sides by the number in front of the X, the 8. That's what I've done here. Divide both sides by 8, and the 8's cancel, and we're left with X is equal to $3,000. And we made X the cost of the accessories, so our answer is $3,000.